Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know I don't usually post on Mondays, but we had some big movement today on Amazon due to some news about them potentially splitting. Whether that's actually going to happen or not, I don't really care because it caused a huge reaction in the stock, and I was able to whip out the Interactive Brokers account and take advantage of this move, locking in over $2,100. Coming into this week, I knew I wanted to use my Interactive Brokers account a little bit more because I figured there was going to be a lot of volatility around these market earnings, around the tech earnings that are coming out. So I made sure to have that Interactive Brokers account open today. I don't, anticipate to take too many swing trades this week because of the volatility due to earnings, and I'm looking for more scalp trades in and out, trying to take advantage of some of these big moves. So I was able to do that today, up about $2,100 on Amazon. On the day, up a little bit over $1,000. So I did take some losers on Tesla, got chopped up a little bit in that sideways action today. But in today's video, I do want to break down these Amazon trades because I was able to use the 9 EMA strategy that I've been using for quite a while to find my entry. So hopefully after reviewing my trades today, you can see how I find my entries, and hopefully that will help you in the future. So guys, before we jump into this one, as always, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel for some future videos, and press that bell notification so you know every single time that I post on the channel. So I've seen in the comments that some people out there miss these scalping videos. Now, to be honest, I'm not trading just to make YouTube videos. I'm trading to make money for myself, and I'm trading, what I feel. So at times I scalp, at times I like the swing trades. And over the last few months, the last few weeks, the market has really continuously grinded higher, and that's when I want to take swing trades because I want to continue to ride that momentum. When I see some choppiness or when I expect volatility, that's when I'll open up the Interactive Brokers and take some scalp trades. This week was a week that I was expecting volatility, and that's why I am in this account. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump onto the computer, review all of my trades today on Amazon, and hopefully it can teach you something, and hopefully you will see how I was able to take these trades. All right, guys, so we got the computer pulled up. We have Interactive Brokers pulled up. Here is a P&L real quick. I'll show you the P&L, bring it up here into the middle. So about $1,000 on the day. So a nice day, $1,000, about 20% gain in the portfolio. This is the same account that I funded with $5,000 about in the beginning of January or February. That's just been sitting here, not really using it much because I've sort of switched into E-Trade, taking some of those swing trades in my long-term portfolio. But right now we're sitting at about $6,100 in this account, up 20%. Today, $1,000. On Amazon alone, I'm up about $2,100. So we did have some losers on Tesla in this account, but we have a $1,600 gain, $1,700 gain on some $3,500 calls. Those are the ones that we'll go over. We had some small loser on this $3,600 call. I'll show you that loser as well. And then a $3,700 call that I sort of held throughout the day after the move started, which was about a $700 gain. I was considering swing trading the $3,700 calls, but I felt like I was getting greedy and I just wanted to take these profits and move on to tomorrow and maybe find some more opportunities. So let's first go over the $3,500 call because I got in and out of this multiple times, and I'll show you why. So let's put the P&L away. $3,500 calls. These are them right here. So I'll put this in the top left. We started trading this at 13:31, which is 1:31 p.m. Eastern time. The reason I started trading Amazon was because a Discord member posted an alert about there potentially being a stock split for Amazon. Some news came out. That really caused Amazon to spike up quite a bit. It moved up about 2% today, about $6,800 or $68 on the day. Before this news came out, Amazon was a complete dud. When we saw this move, it spiked up huge, and I knew that this news could really move the stock, and that's why I got into it. So first trade, 13:31. I got into this without much of a indicator, much of a 9 EMA indicator. I got into this solely because we had a huge move here, a break of this consolidation, and I just figured, you know what, this is good news. I'm gonna go ahead and put a small trade here, about $2,600 on Amazon. I'll have a stop below the 9 EMA. If that falls below the 9 EMA, I'll get out for my loss. But this news was very interesting, and I wanted to get in on it. So 13:31 was where I got in. That was this candle right here. I got out on this trade at 13:39. So about 8 minutes later on this pretty nasty wick right here. So I was able to hold through a majority of this move right here because we just held above that 9 EMA. No pullbacks, nothing to be concerned about. Holding 9 EMA that entire time. And I got out because I saw this pretty nasty rejection at high of day, and I wanted to take it. That's a $1,000 trade in about 8 minutes. So a really good trade there. So next trade was at 1341. So 1 o'clock, 1:41 p.m. So that is right here. So we pulled back to the 9 EMA, and I figured, you know what, let's look to see if we can hold this 9 EMA. This is a very strong momentum mover on news, and usually when there's momentum, they like to hold the 9 EMA. That happens quite a bit. You guys may see when a stock chops around, it does not hold the 9 EMA. When you're on a strong upward momentum with volume, it definitely likes to hold the 9 EMA. So we pulled back to the 9 EMA right here, 1341. That's when I got in, right here, 1341.49. Held that for about a minute. So right here on this pump higher, we got rejected again at high of day. So I was concerned once again that maybe we would fall. And I got out 1 minute later for about a $300 gain, $340. So a quick move off that 9 EMA. We pulled back once again. Pulled back once again to 9 EMA. And my next entry was here at 1345. So that's right here on this candle. Pulled back again, 9 EMA, found support, started moving higher, got in at 1345. Held this for about 3 minutes and took about a $240 gain. So right at 1348, right here is when I got out of it, took some profits. We were getting a little bit overextended past that EMA. I wanted to lock some more in. Next, 1353. So right here, 1353. This is 1352. We moved off. This next candle, I got in. So 1353, got in right there. And at 1354, which is the high of this, it was high a day at the time, I got out for about a $200 gain. So a $200 gain in about a 1 minute scalp. So really nice there. Now that's going to be it for the $3,500 calls. So you guys can see that basically what I did was every single time it pulled back to the 9 EMA, I was getting in for quick scalps. So one here, one here, one here. So 3 trades right there. And then the first trade was just starting to get this move after that news was announced. So really nice there with the $3,500 calls. Really happy about that one. The $3,700 calls, you guys will see that the 37s right here, I bought for $545 at 1332, which is right around here. And then I went ahead and held this almost all of the day and sold it at, 2 hours later for about 100 and something percent. So that's about a thousand. What is that? That's about $700 on that trade. So $700, held that one throughout the day. It was a small trade, $500, and I wanted to see how far this could go. So I took about $700 on that, a little bit over 100%. Now the big loser, you guys saw that I lost. Let's go ahead and pull this back up. I lost about $256 on the $3,600 calls. So let's go ahead and I'll show you the loser on that one, and that is right here. So you guys will see at 1551, I tried a $3,600 call, and that is back towards the end of day here. And I went ahead and got in at this candle at 1350 or at 1551. Yep, right here. And I was looking for a push near close of day. I was thinking that maybe we would get a push on the NASDAQ end of day on Amazon again. Quickly got turned on. You guys can see I sold 4 minutes later for about a $200 loss right there at 1555. So it just got, sort of faked out here. I thought we'd get a push. We did not. It failed, broke 9 EMA. I got out for a $200 loss. So the moral of this video is just showing you the 9 EMA trades here in the morning. Very nice trender. Very nice trend here on the 9 EMA. Pulling up the P&L again. You guys will see about $1,700 on those trades that I took with the $3,500 calls. So right here, in and out on these 9 EMA bounces. And that's sort of how I found my entries. So hopefully that helps you out. Put that 9 EMA on your screen if you're looking to scalp option contracts. Anytime you get a pullback to that 9 EMA, if we get a hold and we engulf the previous candle, that's when I got in. So you guys will notice that every single time I got in, we went ahead and engulfed the previous candle. So right here, we had this 1 minute candle. We engulfed it. I got in. Right here on this pullback, you can see we engulfed that previous candle and I got in for a move. This pullback to 9 EMA, we engulfed the previous red candle, got in for a move. I didn't catch this one, but this was another very good trade. You can see we pulled back 9 EMA, engulfed that previous red candle, and this was a really nice move. This would have been probably a $1,000 winner right here, basically straight up for 5 minutes. So using that 9 EMA strategy today in the scalping account, very happy with the results. We'll see if we can continue this momentum into the rest of the week. So guys, was able to pull out the scalping account today, take advantage of some of these movements. I know some of you out there like to do scalps as well, and I just wanted to show you how I found my entries today on that Amazon move. I know some people may look at it and think, okay, this is too overextended. Where am I going to get in? How do I know when to get in this Amazon move? And looking for those small pullbacks to that 9 EMA support when you have a strong trend that's forming is probably the best place to get in. If it doesn't work out, if it fails below that 9 EMA, then you take your loss and you really move on. That's the only place that you can really get in when we start to move higher like that in that much of a magnitude. You want to see if we can pull back to that 9 EMA. So hopefully this video helped you out. If you enjoyed it, make sure to smash that like button. If you want to see these scalp videos on the channel, make sure to smash the like button as well, and comment down below to let me know that you guys are interested in these types of videos. I still plan on making a video tomorrow, so hopefully I find some good trades tomorrow and I can share them with you guys. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.